Ajas, a very young trainer, MSc Counseling Psychology, PG Diploma in Strategic Management, and yeah, a lot of things here.
Thank you. So good afternoon. It's really fortune to address a bunch of trainers, and it's misfortune to address a people with filled belly. Adding on to what Kezia taught, so it's a question that we all, personally I'm into training for the last 10 years. So not so young, that's what I thought. See, what's the role as a trainer? That's the question. When I dropped my BTech and entered to the training profession, this is the question: what is my role as a trainer? Now I'm more into coaching, into business coaching, not in personal coaching, into business coaching, and also into corporate training. And the role of a trainer is something I would say is that of a camel. And there's a story something like a farmer. He had 3 children and his wife left him early. So he brought up his 3 sons. And when he turned to his last moments, he sold off all his farmlands and bought some camels. Altogether he got 17 camels. And he wrote a will also. How to divide these 17 camels among these 3 children. So when he passed away, after the cremation, his children opened his will and it was something like this. Half of my camels are for my first child, my elder son. 1/3 of my camels is for my second child, 1/3. And 1/9 of my camels are for my third child. So they were in discussion to sort out how they should start it. See, altogether he had 17 camels. Half of his camels for his first child, and 1/3 is for his second child, and 1/9 for his. Yes, ma'am. Your answer.
No, I haven't got the answer.
You wrote it there.
I wrote it down.
Yeah. Has anybody got the answer?
Yeah, we know actually.
Yeah. Oh, you might have heard that. It's a puzzle. So this is the scenario. Personally, as I told you, I am mostly into corporates. 2 scenarios I have to face. It's a paradox. Either my clients expect a total solution from me. We have got all these kind of problems. See, this is recently a 20 crore turnover company asked me to generate 60% growth within 1 year. It's not possible. Any management consultant, any trainer, any coach cannot. It's humanly impossible. And the second thing is something, when Taj Group invited Masaki Imai from Japan for the consulting, they asked, what are you going to do with us? See, what an external agent is going to solve here. These are the 2 things. Either they want complete solution, or they are very questionable, like what can he do with us? So, got the solution?
Yes.
Yeah, the solution is something, if you already know, a wise man, he just brought 1 more camel. To sort out this problem, he had a camel with his home, he just brought that camel. Now the total camels are total 18. 18. So for the first child, half of 18 by 2? 9. For the second child, 1 by 3rd, so it's 6. And for the third child, 1 by 9, 2. So together,
17.
1 balance.
so end of the day, the extra camel he bought with him was still with him.
Yes.
And he went back with this thing. So that is the role of a trainer and a coach. In any scenario, in corporate or in personal coaching, that is the role. You are the 18th camel. Because if there is a problem, to solve that problem, you need an external agent. That's the thing. As Albert Einstein said, the solution to any problem does not lie at the level at which it is created. It lies beyond. See, in an organization, if there is a problem, or in your personal life, if there is a problem, you try to find out the solution within that level. There is a certain level, there is a certain platform in which that problem is created. You can never solve that problem operating in the same platform. You have to move up. Or you need an external agent who can think in a level up. So, as an 18th camel, you are the people who are going to explain, who are going to operate it in a higher level and solve that problem. So that's the first rule that I follow, that I always try to operate at a certain higher level so that I can solve the problem of an organization or an individual. And the second thing, it's like an empowerment. Once the problem is solved, you have to leave the scene. One of the major challenges that we follow means into management consulting. Once we work with an organization for 6 months or 1 year as a contract, so after the 1 year, the CEO would call us for a personal meeting and ask us, can I employ you here? Can you be with us for a long time? Something like that. So that's not possible. Or that's not the way that a trainer or a coach should operate. So once the problem is cleared, what that wise man did, it is solved, 1/3, half and 1/9, and he took his camel back. Just like that, after solving, you have to take your camel back or you have to take yourself back. This is all about the training and coaching that I experienced. Thank you. Okay.
Yeah, so that's wonderful. I mean, you are young. Then why did you say that I'm not young?
How old am I?
Yeah, how old is he?
20. I'm 12th in May 1985.
Okay, so you
It's
are
30.
20?
30.
30, okay, wonderful. So, 30-year-old young guy, of course you have long more years to go.
Thank you.
Definitely you should, you will have more opportunities in corporate training.